Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. 7:45 Monday morning. Got a good day in front of us. We're here on our 35-yard driveway pour in Macon, Georgia. 4,000 PSI with fiber added. Huge shout out to Macon Concrete. They were able to squeeze their rig in past that roof outlook. Massive time saver. Those wheelbarrows can go ahead and stay lonely over there. So big shout out to those guys. Hydraulic operated chute makes it a whole lot easier, the old style. Got the master dock there, getting everybody moving. We're gonna pour 20 yards today and another 15 tomorrow. I'll keep you posted as we go. As always, if we can help you out with your exterior projects, from roofing to concrete to grading, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching.